Hey guys, so today I'm just going to show you how to buy the GCAC token on Uniswap. So there's a couple of steps involved. It's actually not too difficult once you understand it, but the first step is we need to buy Ethereum, which we're going to use to swap for the token. So there's loads of ways to do this. The way I'm going to show you is to use Binance. So you can see Ethereum here. So that's what we need to buy. So first of all, you're just going to need to register. It's not that difficult. You might need to do a bit of KYC, but once you have that done, so once you log in, you should come to a screen like this. We're going to go to buy crypto, credit debit card. So you can use any fiat currency you want already here. And we're going to choose Ethereum here. Put in any debit or credit card. I'll put in just $200 US, for example. We're just going to press buy. Once you confirm this, you'll have to put in an authentication code from your email account, but once you have that, we'll go back to your wallet and down here you should see your nice ETH ready to be traded. So next thing we need to do is transfer this to our wallet, which is where we're going to actually store our tokens. So the one I'm going to show you how to use is called MetaMask. This is the icon. To get that, you can just find new extensions. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but this is the same with Google Chrome. We just type in MetaMask and choose this one. I'm just going to let you register yourself because that's not very difficult, but just make sure for your secret backup phrase that you write it down and don't share this with anyone. Absolutely key. So once you've logged in, this is the home screen. This is where your ETH is stored. So what we need to do is use our wallet to swap our Ethereum for the GCAC tokens on Uniswap. So first of all, we need to transfer the Ethereum that we've just bought on Binance over to our MetaMask wallet. So how we do this is just click on this. This is going to give our public address. We'll just copy it. We're going to withdraw Ethereum from Binance. We're going to paste in the public address. That's just going to tell Binance where to place our Ethereum. For Uniswap, you use ERC20 and just transfer however much you want to transfer over. And within about 10 minutes, your Ethereum will now show up in your MetaMask account. So that's the hardest part done. Now, all we need to do is just go to Uniswap. Use Uniswap. I'm also going to link in the description below the address for buying GCAC, but another way you can do it is go to Etherscan, GCAC, and just copy this contract address. And now, I don't have much ETH because I'm only testing, but what you're going to see here is that there's no liquidity. This is because V2 is hard-coded into our smart contract for GCAC. The new CrossFi tokens will all be running on V3, but for now, we're going to have to trade on V2 with GCAC. This isn't any big issue at all. Make sure for slippage that it's either on auto, or if you don't have auto, that it's less than 1%. If it's more than 1%, you might get front run by bots. So all we need to do now is just swap our Ethereum, confirm swap, and then your MetaMask will show you a gas fee. This is just basically the fee that you pay for the transaction. You can choose what speed you want the transaction to go through on. Slow most of the time gets through, so if you want to try slow, feel free, but the fees aren't awful at the moment compared to what they used to be. So all you need to do is just press confirm, and then once you go back to your MetaMask, it's not going to show up here. So what we need to do is custom token. This is the same contract address from Etherscan right here. it automatically fills in GCAC and the decimals. But once we do that, you go back to your MetaMask. The tokens that you just swapped for on Uniswap will now show up in your MetaMask. So you're now a proud holder of GCAC tokens. Welcome to the community, and we look forward to talking to you more in the Telegram group. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or text us in the Telegram group. But welcome to GCAC. Thank you.